What's up? This is Yuda from BeatLab Academy. I want to share with you today my favorite feature in Omnisphere that I wish all plugins would have. But let me show you. So forget about the amazing synthesizer that it is, super in-depth with all the effects. Forget about the 10,000 plus sounds library that come with it, sound match, all the arpeggiator, the live mode, and of course the associated products like Keyscape and Trillion that you can use inside Omnisphere. All those are amazing, but let me show you the best feature you might not know about. So I have a MIDI controller here, and I have Omnisphere open up in Ableton. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to right-click on the down preset arrow, and I'm going to choose Enable Host Automation. I'm going to do the same for the Up preset. And now I can open up the Configure section right here, click on Configure, and then click on the down preset and the up preset. Now, some other stuff has been added. We don't need them, all the volumes, so I'm going to delete them from here. You can keep them, but I'm going to delete them. Let's move the browse up right here. Nice. Turn off configure. Now I can map it to my MIDI controller. So I'm going to go to MIDI mapping mode, click on the browse up, hit a pad on my MIDI controller, click on the browse down, hit a pad on my MIDI controller, a different pad. And now essentially, I don't even have to touch the computer. I can just play, or first let's maybe choose a category of sounds, like synth poly. Let's randomize it. Choose one preset, play something, and then I can change the presets from my keyboard. I can just go through presets. This was my dream for so long. And why not all plugins have it? Why? Thank God for Spectrasonics. Amazing.